Okay, here we go. We are on example 7. This is the only question for the day officially that you have to watch. And it is on the bottom of page 7, example 7 on page 7. So we're going to compare linear and exponential functions today. Relatively easy again. So it says that Talisha is offered 2 pledge options for donating to a charity. Which option will increase the pledge amount faster over time? Option 1, $100 for the first week. So write that down. Turn on my drawing utensil. $100 for the first week. And then it increases each week by $25. So you just add $25. Okay. Option 2, $1 for the first week. And then after each week, it triples. So when it triples, we're going to multiply by 3 each time. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3, 81. 81 times 3, 243. Okay, there's 2 different ways of doing this. So this one up here is linear. Okay, linear is when you add or subtract the same amount. This one down here is exponential. This one is where you do multiplication. And while you can't quite see here, right now if we compared these two, if we added up option 1, there'd probably be more money there. But this one says over time. I want you to look here at the next few. So if I take 243, I want to get my calculator here. 243, and I multiply that by 3. Now I'm up to $729 in week 6. Here, I'm only at 250. And then if I went one step further, I'd be at 2,187 and 6561 in 8 weeks. In 8 weeks here, I would be at a measly $300 just by adding 25. So always the exponential option, even though we started with 100 here and only $1 here, it just gets so big, and every time, the next time you'd add this, it'd be over 19,000. Okay, and that's the difference. So that's what we're doing today. We're comparing linear, we're comparing exponential functions. And where does this pick up? Well, if you go to, I believe it is the last page here, and there are your 3 questions for the day, and that's it. So it says, tell whether it's linear or exponential. Explain your reasoning. And as a bonus here, I want you to, so for part B, I want you to write an equation. That's something we've already done. Linear we've done since the beginning of the year. Exponential we just learned this week. So I want you to write some equations that go with it. And then this one down here is just a little story problem. And again, write an exponential function. So if you don't know how to write an exponential function, you need to go back and watch the video, I believe from yesterday. But then what you're doing today is these are the pages you're uploading. So you're uploading 7. And there was 3 pages there. So I believe it's just 7, 8, 9. But you'll go to... Okay, sorry, I went back and paused. You'll have to watch yesterday's video if you haven't. And your assignment is pages 6, 7, and 9. So 8 we did on a different day. That's why it's skipped in the upload. That'll be along with this assignment. And yep, so just 3 problems along with our notes. So you should upload now, though. If you go back and watch and read the directions, I'm going to ask you to upload yesterday's and today's assignment together. All right, and that is it for today. So again, another short day. So a chance to be catching up on some of the stuff we did before spring break if needed, and getting ready for that test next week. Have a good day.